Hello everyone, we have a new tutorial today where we'll learn how to create a floating effect animation. First, go to your timeline and click on the object you want to animate. Then, open the effects control panel and click on motion. After that, choose where you want to place your object and start animating. Click the stopwatch on position, scale, or rotate. Once you click it, a keyframe will appear. Move forward on your timeline, adjust your object, then move forward again and make more adjustments. Just repeat this process until you get the floating effect. If it works well, you can copy and paste your keyframes. Press Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Then, right-click on your selected keyframes, go to Temporal Interpolation, and choose Continuous. And that's it. The effect is done. See you in our next video.